Hey guys, how you doing? So we're going to be taking off the winners, which in this case are just the stocks, and we're going to be getting back to the nice 20x12's. These summer tires are wrapped in a NITTO GRAPPLER TERRA, which are awesome. So we'll get started. Alright, so we just got our jack just under the control arm there. Just ready to get going. Now I have electric impact, so make things a little quicker for taking off the tires. But if not, you're going to be using the old reliable here. Just a breaker bar. Extension cord ran. We got a little bit of sandpaper for sanding down the mounting surface. And we got a little bit of lube. Usually I'd use DW40, but in this case, this was all I had around right now. So we'll get started with taking off this first tire here. Hey guys, so we got all our lug nuts off there, so we're just gonna jack up this side here so we can get the tire off. That should do that. Now, yeah. Oh, don't even need to give it the boot, so it's awesome. Sand down this surface here, and then again with your lube we're going to spray down the bolts, and then we'll get to mounting our new wheels there. And we're just doing this so when you're tightening up your wheel, there's no grit in that's going to cause it to come loose, or and just make sure we get a nice feel there. So. Alright, and that's how we do that, folks. Okay guys, so we got the tire up on the bolts, and I'm a little out of breath because that was a lot of work. Lugs, lube, kind of go hand in hand, so.
He's cold.
Alright guys, we got front tire here all torqued up, and we have it torqued to 150 here on the front. I just loosened up the back lugs here and jacked it up. Just got her on the back axle there, and so we'll give this Alright guys, so I got the back wheel off here. So we got it sanded down. We got some lubricant sprayed on the nuts and the mounting surface. And so we're ready to put this back tire on here. Alright guys, so we just got the back lugs tightened up. Front ones are done. So we got the left side all figured out now. Just give you a bit of a side view. And I'll get done the other side and then we'll give you a shot to see what the truck looks when it's all put together. Alright, till then guys, peace. Alright guys, there she is. All the tires are on, torqued up. I'm just going to take it for a drive, but supper's ready, so go eat. After that, we will go for a drive and then we'll retorque the lug nuts. Just make sure nothing falls off because we don't want that. But yeah, definitely much better than those winners. Okay guys, we're back from our road trip here. Got the truck a little bit muddy, but that's okay. And so now we're just gonna retorque these wheels. So the same setup it was on our drill. And we are at still 150 pounds. So we're just gonna slide it on. And if you notice, we're pretty close to rubbing, so we don't put it on all the way, so we don't scuff the wheel, but not the bite. Push down until you hear the click, and then we'll do that for all of them. And that's that. Now, take that off. Side here, we have our hubs. And then we put our hubs on, line up the two real screws with those. So I'll go ahead and put the cover plates on, and then we'll give you a final look of the truck. Hey guys, so we got the finished look here. Got the center hubs on. And just in case you're wondering about the rim, these are Vision PROWLERS, and they're a 20x12 rim with a -51 offset, and they stick out 4 inches right from the edge of the fender there to the outside of the wheel there. And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.